The making of Harry Potter. Wow. Mukhang mukha ko na yan. I like it. Pasok mo na kami.
Is it amazing? It's magic, right? It's like, di ba yung piniplay ni Daddy and Mommy? Yung Hogwarts, you remember it? It's moving, oh, the painting, it's moving. Oh, it's moving again. Yes! It's moving! Jump, jump, jump. Go, go. Look at the camera. Atras, atras. Say hi, kawai, kawai. Kawai lang. Go, 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 go. What are you doing there, baby? Namin. Hi guys, so muling nagbabalik. Yung top niya, matamis parang cake eh. Then, pag ginamitan mo na siya ng straw, doon mo na matitikman yung pinaka drinks niya. Anong ma-describe? Hindi ko ma-describe mo ng lasa?
Para siyang salted caramel.
Yeah, para siyang salted caramel. Sakto lang yung tamis. Hindi masyado, pero masarap, masarap, masarap.
And then yung yung
Kakaiba.
And then yung
Tap.
Canis, go.
Run, run, run. Okay, ready? Ready. Whoa! That's Peppa Pig. What's that? What's that? Hi. Peppa Pig. Show Peppa Pig. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so Dora-Dora mode muna tayo dito. Actually, second diet night na namin dito sa Japan. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog talaga, nagsasalita. Kasi kakabili ko lang na tong camera natin. So, yeah, nainggit lang ako sa mga nagbablog kasi na may kamerang ganito. And nisip ko na rin tuloy bumili. Kaya eto, hopefully mas makagawa tayo ng mas magandang video. Yay! Thank you Lord. Sa grace and sa blessing. So, dito pa rin tayo sa Harry Potter area. At ito yung chess. Surprisingly, ang laki pala nito. Ang laki pala nung venue na to. No? And nakaka-entertain. Nakakaliw. Ang ganda. I love it. Kasi yung pagkakagawa mismo sa mga statue na yan, sobrang ganda ng quality. Galing. Pulido. Love it. So, yeah, worth it. Sarap magstay dito. picture.
They're all beautifully different. The power of music unites us all in harmony. It shows where the truth is. Listen to the symphony. Together we can
ただいまチケットお釣りを取り忘れにご注意
feeling when the heartbeat drums, just like
What's that?
together we can bring some joy. Together we can make some noise. 'Cause every one of us belongs, just like together we are one. Together we are
So, mainit na ngayon. Ang init na. At nasa zoo kami. So, mga ibon. Ito yung mga uwak ni Tanjiro.
together we can make some noise. 'Cause every one of us belongs,
What, Candy?
just like together we are together we are
Grabe, nakakatuwa. Kasi sa batang age ni Candice, nakapag Universal Studio na, nakapag Hong Kong Disneyland, and ngayon Japan Disneyland na siya. So, nakakatuwa kasi na-experience niya na baby pa lang siya, galing. And nakakalungkot din, kasi syempre makakalimutan niya rin yun. Agad. So, babalik na lang.